Hello everyone, today we're reviewing Taskify-AI.com, an AI prompt marketplace with wildly conflicting trust scores. Some fraud detectors give it a 72 out of 100, calling it legit, while others rate it 10 out of 100, warning it's dangerous. What's the truth? Let's investigate. Here's where it gets strange. Three different fraud detection platforms give Taskify AI completely different test scores. Scam Advisor says it appears legit and safe based on 40 data points. Grindsoft gives it 72 out of 100 trust score, calling it legitimate. Scam Detector rates it 10.1 out of 100 with tags like untrustworthy, risky, and danger. How can the same website get ratings from 10 to 72 out of 100? This dramatic inconsistency is itself a red flag. The platform giving the lowest score detected high-risk activity related to phishing, spamming, and found concerning proximity to suspicious websites on the same server. They explicitly recommend staying away from this website based on 53 aggregated risk factors. The domain is 21 months old, established June 2024. Registered through GoDaddy with privacy protection, hosted in the United States, and runs on WordPress platform with Stripe payment integration. It has SSL security but references artificial intelligence technologies, which some analysts note may overstate AI capabilities for marketing purposes. The critical problem is we couldn't find any independent user reviews from actual customers on Trustpilot, Reddit, YouTube, or legitimate review platforms. For a site claiming to sell AI prompts, a popular product category, the complete absence of verified customer feedback is suspicious. There's no transparency about who created the AI prompts, what quality standards are enforced, what refund policy exists for ineffective prompts, and who runs the business. Legitimate AI prompt markets like PromptBase, FlowGPT, or Prompt Hero have transparent creator profiles with ratings and reviews, clear refund policies and customer protection, quality control systems for prompts, thousands of verified reviews from real users, and active communities and responsive support. Taskify-AI.com provides none of these transparencies. It has wildly conflicting trust scores from 10 to 72 out of 100. Suggests algorithmic confusion or manipulation, zero independent customer reviews despite being live for 21 months, vague claims about AI capabilities without specific privacy-protected domain registration hiding owner identity, server proximity to suspicious websites according to fraud detectors, and no community presence on social media or forums. The final verdict, Taskify AI is too risky with insufficient evidence of legitimacy. The conflicting trust scores and complete absence of customer reviews are deal breakers. For AI prompts, stick with established marketplaces like PromptBase or FlowGPT with transparent creators, verified reviews, and proven track records. Don't be the guinea pig testing unverified platforms. Your money deserves better. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.